Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on BEHL, Biocentric Energy Holdings Incorporated. Been doing this one quite a bit, and the request started to pour in and pulled up the chart, and lo and behold, it makes sense why the request picked up. Very clearly, the past 2 days have seen increase in volume, and at one point had a nice green candle here yesterday, but it's pulled back since then. So I want to go over the chart because it's making progress, but at the same time, it's really on the borderline of kind of losing all the progress it's made. So I want to highlight what I mean by that. And also, I've been watching this one and actually had a buy order in a few times down here at the orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average, but it's never gone down that far. So had I, maybe nibbled some here, I could have maybe made some money right there, but that's all hindsight, so I wasn't able to take advantage of that. But for the people that were nibbling here as it was nearing this 200-day, congratulations. I'm guessing that's part of the reason why it went down was because you had some of the scalpers, day traders, bottom fishers, whatever you want to call them, nibbling here and then selling into the strength there. But that's not what we're going to focus on. We want to see what's going on with the chart, and like I said, it's making progress, but at the same time, we're kind of getting borderline of losing the progress that's been made the past 2 days. So the question becomes, well, what was really the progress the past 2 days? Well, if we look back here at this low right there, and I'm basing that low off of this point right here, and that low was at 0.025, you can see that this was a previous low, acted as support all around here, and then we fell below it. However, when we got back above it, we turned it back into support again, and we are still above it, so this needs to be changed to green because it's our current support level. And it's a very important one because we had the gap up above it, and then as you can see, this is where the gap fill would be. So today, this little miniature gap here, so if we want, we can zoom in even more. You can see we had this gap up here, and just to give it, there we go. And today was a gap fill. So now the question the rest of this week becomes, is this gap fill what was needed to happen? And is the price going to continue up, or are we going to fall back through this support and then come down here and test lows? Because in my opinion, if this fails, then I think you'll at least come down, test this low here, if not come all the way down and test that orange line there, which is the 200-day simple moving average. But like I said, there has been progress. You've been able to get back above this line, which you fell below here, and made a nice bullish move upwards in that direction. So it's the price showed that it can get moving, but now it's just a matter of needing to hold this. And like I said, if it bounces along here, that's fine as long as this holds. Because remember, if this can hold before making another move up, what the chart has done in the overall picture is putting in a higher low, because you'd have a low here, and then you'd have a low here, and then hopefully another low would get established up here, and then you'd start to be able to put together an uptrend. But right now, you're on the verge of losing this whole possibility. And obviously, if you're in this for the longer term, that's not what you want to see. So yes, the chart's made a couple nice moves the past couple of days, but now it's just a matter of holding on to those moves and making sure that this can hold up strong, and then hopefully be able to put in a higher low before starting to move back up again. As far as resistance levels, it's pretty much right here you had one, and then up here is going to be another one. So these are going to be your resistance levels. And then, as I've been talking, your support is clearly this green line right there. And if that one fails, then like I said, in my opinion, you'll be headed back down to test this previous low down here. Not too much else to say besides, progress has been made, but much more progress needs to be made. And you're, flirting with, losing all the efforts that the bulls have made the past couple of days. So hopefully the bulls can show up tomorrow and kind of dig in here at 0.025. And at least be able to sustain this price level, if not push it higher. But that's what will make the rest of this week pretty interesting on this one. I'll be curious to see how it holds. But hopefully we just don't have history repeat itself like it did right there, or like it did up here. Hopefully there's a little bit more behind this move, and we'll be able to start to see it the rest of this week. But we still have 3 days left this week, so it's just a matter of time right now and seeing what pans out. If you do have any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message. I'd also encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and sign up for the newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews. And with that, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a nice variety for everybody. It's all free, so you really got nothing to lose. So it's worth giving a try. One more time, this is BEHL. Thanks for listening.